Hello. So come with me. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Hello, guys. This morning I'll be going out to look for a fridge that I can use in the house. Like I said in the previous video that I sold almost everything before coming to Abuja. Now is the time to replace all those things I've sold. I don't really know much about Abuja and where they sell electronics, but my brother-in-law is here to carry me out, and we are going to look for where we can get a good fridge to use in the house. So I think he was suggesting we should first go to LG office, and maybe if possible we may check other products like Hisense, Samsung, plus the LG office that we are going today. So I would like to carry you along as I go in search of the fridge to use in the house. So come with me. Let's go, guys, let's go. Luna, you want me to video you? Luna, you are this time. Leave there. Leave road. So guys, we're on our way out. So come with me as we move. So guys, we are finally here at the LG office. The first thing I did was to ask if I'm allowed to make a video, and I was told I can only take a picture. They have so many there, but I decided to snap just few. I took a very few pictures, then I moved to Hayatamaku showroom, sorry. So there I asked, and I was told, yeah, I can go ahead and make a video, guys. So let's go on and check.
Hey guys, I'm back home. Finally, I got this LG fridge. After all the check, going to Hisense, going to Ayatamako showroom. So I come in, I got this, and I so much like this particular one because it is energy savings fridge. So, and it was what I was actually out for.
I love the fridge because it has a lot of space for storage.
It dispenses water through here. So I got it delivered to me after I left the place.
I got this fridge at the rate of 965,000 naira.
And it has a warranty. Yes, I got it delivered. This is the man that brought it home for me. He was helping me to remove the paper and removing the seal. At the same time, he was advising me how to use it. He actually told me not to do any settings with the fridge again because all the settings has been done before bringing it down home for me. So he advised I shouldn't plug the fridge. I should let it rest for about 3 hours before plugging it to electricity. So after 3 hours, then I should plug it and let it work for 20 minutes before putting anything in the fridge. Unfortunately, we do not have light for over 10 hours since the time the fridge was delivered to me. But this time, they brought light and I decided to plug it. I left it for almost 2 hours. I did not even intend to put anything inside today because I don't have anything in the house to put in the fridge. So here you can see that there is light showing inside the fridge. That is to tell you that it has been plugged. So thank you for watching. This is what I came home with. See you some other time in my next video. Bye bye.